Welcome to Jeeptoberfest 2025.
Yes.
I'm still wearing a 23 shirt because it matches.
And then you do like this with your seatbelt, so I know you got it on.
Do your seatbelt?
And then you boogie down like this so I can see your armbands.
Okay. Armbands.
Okay.
All right, you're good to go. You know what? If anybody has to go to the bathroom, go now.
Yeah, I told them. Yep.
It takes,
Are you ready, Ben?
I'm good. That's very good.
Ready for the day?
Here we go.
Have fun.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I've got a little guy.
All right. I got to put the camera on.
There's Woodstock. This is the campsite. Later on today, it's going to get full.
They told us that as it gets busy, it might take you 2 to 3 hours to do both of the stock and stock plus. We are running 33-inch tires. They're Nitto Ridge grapplers, so they're not like the aggressive mud terrain.
We're about to go in the water.
Well, I don't get a spotter. Is that food? This trail has been developed and worked through since summertime. Lots of ups and downs. There's even a water crossing that we went through this year. If you looking to test out your Jeep and you've never been off-road, then might I suggest start with the stock, then go to stock plus. If you've got 35-inch tires and lockers, then maybe some of the moderate course, and you have to have like a real built Jeep to do the advance, because that's crazy stuff.
Volunteers out there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at a tree.
Hey. Hey.
That's
There's
what
a
happens
tree
when you
there.
look.
I think that was my fender.
Know why?
When you said early afternoon,
Now we're going through the stock trail.
there you go. Like some candy?
I do.
I'm taking whatever comes out right. There's
Oh,
your
there's
Snickers. I like that.
It's
Thank
mostly
you.
Snickers.
That's fine.
What would you like, buddy? You want a Snickers, Milky Way, Twix?
Milky Way it is. Good job.
Would you like one, sir?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for volunteering too.
Yeah, I'll let you have one.
This is the stock course. It's for stock Jeeps, right off the showroom floor. They're very capable vehicles, and if you take it out here on the stock course, you might find out just how great it is to have a Jeep. Look at this hole.
You're camping this time?
No, we're staying at the hotel. I stay up at that Town Place Suites by Top of the World every time we come up. So this is a rain or shine event. Last year, a hurricane is a little bit different, but if it's raining like it is today, it's just gonna make the track a little more slick, maybe even a little more fun. So whether it rains or not, you can come out to this event. Another thing you wanna do is you wanna go to the Facebook and you wanna subscribe so that you can see when the tickets come available, because if you register early and you're a low enough number, you get a free shirt. And let me tell you, the shirt that I got last year is one of my most favorite shirts because it is so comfortable. Rain or shine, come out to Jeeptoberfest. This has been the Stock and Stock Plus rides for 2025. The amount of obstacles has been up just a little bit, as usual. I see some trees that are getting a little bit scraped here and there. Matter of fact, I scraped a tree myself with my front bumper. Somehow it stayed intact. But I would encourage you that if you haven't come out to Jeeptoberfest in the past, to come out. Watch for the sign up, get yourself signed up, and come out here and ride these courses. They're a lot of fun, and they wind through the woods. You get to see other people in Jeeps right off to your left and right as they wind through these trails. There's a QR code down here, right there, that you can click on, and that'll take you to the Jeeptoberfest website where you can get registered, and watch for when they open up the registration so that you can register for Jeeptoberfest 2026. Jeeptoberfest is a fundraiser, and there are charities that receive the benefits of the fundraising, and this is Veterans Helping Veterans, which is an extremely worthy cause. So this is...
My name is Todd, and I'm the Executive Director with Veterans Helping Veterans, and thanks for covering this today. We're very grateful to the Ocala Jeep Club. They're our biggest donor. We are a nonprofit, standalone 501c3 organization here in Marion County. We're the only standalone organization in the whole state where veterans and their families can come to us and get some of the hurt taken away. We have a big giant food pantry. We offer financial assistance. We offer clothing. We offer job placement and a whole lot more, as they say in the commercial. So this funding that we receive as a charity from this helps us continue to help the at-risk veterans and homeless veterans here in Marion County, Florida.
So when you come to Jeeptoberfest, you're not just coming to look at Jeeps and ride some trails, but you're actually helping charities, Veterans Helping Veterans. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate your service and everything. Very pleased to have you all out here, and glad that these people who are watching right now are helping you out.
Absolutely.
If they want to help you outside of Jeeptoberfest, is there a way that they can get to?
Thanks for the plug. We're right here in Ocala, Florida. We're located at 2730 East Silver Springs Boulevard. It's the old right by the main library, the old bowling alley for you old timers. Our phone number is 352-433-2320. You can explore us online at vhvusa.org, and if you're looking to make a donation, it's an in-kind. We will send you a letter for your tax purposes, so it's a win-win for you, it's a win-win for us, and we do have a donation portal on our website there at vhvusa.org. Thank you in advance.
Excellent. Support worthy causes. That's what the Jeeping community does. This is Brick City. I know there's a line over there where they have the cowboy cups, but you know, there's a couple things that I really like, and that's hamburgers and hot dogs. So they do events, and what type of hot dogs is it?
Sabrett. All beef hot dog.
All beef hot dog.
And you got a Japa dog.
I got a Japa dog
Vancouver?
and a New York. Old classic Army Jeep. Look at that winch. Very nice. And I've seen Cracker Jack before. Big and lifted. One of the things about coming out to Jeeptoberfest that I always like is all of the Jeeps that you get to see. There's so many different styles. There's big and lifted and fairly stock and unlifted. The two. This has got some serious tires on it. That is nice. Nicely built.
No worries, just hold on to that. I'll still
Hot
make it.
dogs, chicken nuggets, hamburgers, and we are here for
Doggy.
the Cowboy Cup. Same as last year. Southern saw, bacon, mac and cheese, pulled pork, tangy barbecue sauce, all put inside a cup. It's like a portable feast to go. But this, what is this?
This is the Cowboy Cup.
Cowboy Cup.
Ooh, it's
Oh,
hot.
it's warm and hot and good. This was my favorite thing from last year, and so if you see this food truck, go get you a Cowboy Cup. Easy 4x4 has a solution for you to have a lockable trunk, but also be able to carry a washing machine in the back of your Jeep if you need to. So today we're with
Brian from Easy 4x4.
Brian, and he's going to show us what this trunk can do.
Yeah. So what's different about our trunk? There are big there are big trunks out there, but they don't fold. And what's nice about ours, it folds, it doesn't rattle, and it gives you extra space, and it folds down in a couple seconds. So a lot of times you'll go shopping, you'll need the whole back of your Jeep, and that's what's nice about ours. You get the whole Jeep, but when you actually need the storage, it's a full locking trunk that's almost impenetrable. Close this. What's nice about it, it has a locking system right here that locks. So even if somebody tried to get it open, they couldn't open it. You just pull on this, that. What we'll do is lock it.
And then your tailgate.
Close your tailgate, you can't get into it.
And that seals there. And what's the name of this? This is
the Easy Extreme trunk. Okay. What's nice about it also, on the other side here, you have storage on the inside. So you can put things on the inside here. You have modeling holes right here, so you can tie things down if you want to. Most people get the carpet because it stops things from rolling around. And it's 5 pieces of carpet and goes on the bottom also. So when you fold it, this is how easy it is. When you fold it down, you have carpet right here so you don't damage it.
Does that tilt up also? Or?
Yeah, of course.
So it could
tilts
tilt
up also, and now
so
you have the full open
You could
area.
really carry a washing machine in here if you needed to.
Or you could just put the washing machine on top.
Okay. Heavy duty, sturdy.
It'll hold 200 pounds minimum.
Easy to install?
Takes about an hour to install.
An hour to install.
What's nice about ours too, it's not a lot of parts. Okay, so it goes together relatively quickly. And you know what? You can go to dinner now at night and not worry about looking out the window, or you go traveling and
I can relate. I can relate.
It's what we do. People are so used to leaving things at home. But this gives you a really nice trunk.
Even with the top completely off, you now have a storage area.
Well, you have a top with it off, but also with it on, it stops snatch and grab. A lot of people want to store their guns in here and things like that, pocketbooks, guns, and shopping, especially women. But we have a gun holder that actually goes in here, and it folds up, so you can fold it, but it'll actually hold ARs and regular handguns too.
Wow.
So that's what's really great about it. And it's really affordable. It's at the show, it's $6.99.
$6.99.
And it works fantastic.
Awesome, awesome. And some of your other big sellers are the flip top, which we have videos of. But you also have this door cart.
Yeah, what's great about this door cart is it folds up for storage. Okay.
So when it's not being used, it's this small.
It's that small. So we're at a show. These are show prices that I'm giving you. Online, it's a little different, but we offer free freight online, which is nice. What's nice about the door cart from everybody else's because our door cart is really cool. It has a locking mechanism. Okay, I'm gonna just check it first before I do it. The doors are really expensive.
Yeah.
Especially to paint, and everybody's probably dropped a door. What's nice about our cart is you can roll it, and basically the doors can't fall off. What's nice about our hardtop lift, and I'll show you afterwards, it actually holds our freedom panels too. So if you look out here, nobody else does this. We have panels up here.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll show you that afterwards. But ours actually lifts the entire product up at one time, and you don't have to put extra brackets in the front like Top of Pro or Roll and Jack. Our bar actually slides out, and what's nice about ours, it's heavier duty, it's folds, it goes higher and lower, and you can't do this with anybody else. This is our flip top. What's nice about the flip top is in 6 seconds you can open and close it. So if you stand over there, you can see it.
Yeah.
But it just opens and closes. This is our #1 talked about product. But what's great about it, it's a life changer.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, what's neat about this, if somebody bought it last year and I'm actually talking to somebody, they'll actually say, that's the best thing I ever put on my car that I use every single day. And we give a lifetime guarantee whether you stick it down or bolt it down. So it's just up to you, and it's just a great product that everybody loves. You end up using your freedom panels
All the
so
time.
much more.
Yeah. Is that intentional? So where's Wanda?
Hey, Ricky. Still moving. First one to make it.